show you how to change a battery on a 2015 Nissan Versa right here. So what I'm gonna do first is remove this right here, remove this intake tube right here, so I can get access to the to whatever holding the battery, to this battery holder. All right, and then I'll take off the terminal, and they should be 10 millimeters. All right. Take that one off. You don't have to take this one off, but I'm gonna take it off so you guys can see what I'm doing down there. Alright? Alright, in case it's giving you trouble, if you want to take it off, get a spare part of the battery. Just put a pair right here, hold that right there. Once again, it's 10 millimeter. Alright, so now I'm going to remove the battery terminal. 10 millimeter. Here. Off. Here. And also. Both them is removed. And we can go ahead and take up this right here. This is the heat shield right here. Now, since the heat shield is off, go ahead and show you this is what holding the battery down there. Alright, so I'm going to take that out, the extension, and tell you the size. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and take it off right now. And it's going to be 13 millimeter. This is it right here. This is what holding it. Stand by for the battery. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and install the new battery. In right there. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the battery holder. Start right there. Tighten it down. That's what's up. Suck it down there. Alright, so now it's time to put on the heat shield. Alright, so it's not gonna work because the battery is longer than I got. But I'm gonna put it on anyway. Just disconnect it from right there. And wrap it around the battery, alright? So I got that to wrap around the battery. So now I'm gonna go ahead and install the terminal. Terminal. Alright, so now it's time to put on your coil intake. Yeah, you don't want to get a battery that's taller than this one, or else the coil intake not going to fit properly. Alright guys, that's how you change your battery for the Nissan Versa. And you can go ahead and subscribe to my channel right here. And thank you guys for your love and your support.